Anytime.
There, I'll go for it. Ready?
Wow. The great thing about it is you can go uphill.
It goes uphill like it's nothing.
Wow.
And it can brake, and so that, like, going down that hill, I was braking the whole time, so
Yeah.
it wasn't like going super fast. It's easier to pull the brake down, and then the board doesn't really move, no matter how hard you try. You pull the brake, it'll roll back. And then just pull it to your feet in the most comfortable area possible, so you can still the full range of. What? I'm in fourth gear right now, so that's gonna be really fast. I'll probably go in like one, and then you kind of just.
Moves pretty good. All right, Kaden's turn.
Start going that way. All right, yeah. I mean, it'll go up and down hills, no problem. It just brakes on it, so you can put the brakes on like very lightly. And keep it happy. Maybe that's a bit of a bump here. Try the main road. So it's in first gear.
Wait until no car, buddy.
Hold the brake down just to see how strong it is. Get a feel for it. Get as comfortable as you want. Press the button once to go up a gear when you're not holding it down. He's getting a little wobble every once in a while. Third day on this thing. So yeah, what do you think? It's pretty sweet, right?
Yeah.
It's not even in turbo mode.
It's
You want to? It just boosts like the acceleration
Oh.
of the board.
How do you like stay on it?
It's crazy. So if I go into the app, I can connect right to the remote. So I connect X-Way. So and then you should see on the remote that now it's connected. And so I go down here. I actually want to try free mode.
What's that?
It's like once you finish braking, like if you're going forward and then you brake to a stop and then you keep holding back, it will automatically switch into reverse. So you don't have to. Usually beforehand you'd have to triple tap it.
So you don't have to think about
go
using
in
that.
reverse. So
Yeah.
let's try it and let's see how that is. But I'll throw it in turbo mode as well. Did it show what I got to?
19.8,
What?
but it locked it at
Never
19.8.
got higher than that.
Miles per hour?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's probably because.
but it wouldn't change. It wouldn't change.
Oh, I think it's because I think I went out of range. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's not in your pocket. Right,
Yeah,
that
it
makes
wasn't with
sense.
me the whole time. So
Yeah.
it's probably
It was right here, 19.8.
Yeah.
Right when you
yeah. So, but yeah, turbo mode is really fast. It's scary.